Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the spark plug in your string trimmer, make sure the engine has cooled. Remove the ignition coil wire from the spark plug. Use a 3/4-inch socket or a dedicated spark plug wrench to help unthread the old plug. Before you install the new spark plug, confirm the spark gap matches manufacturer's specifications. Thread the new plug into the cylinder. Be careful not to strip the threads by over-tightening. Attach the ignition coil wire to the new plug, and your string trimmer should be ready for use.